Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to redeem HBO Go promo code. To redeem your HBO Go promo code, you need to follow these steps. So here, first of all, you want to open your browser and open up or type in help.hbomax.com. This is going to take you to the help page where you find the redemption link. So there is the field where you could see redeem a HBO promo code. So all you need to do is scroll down and you could just locate the HBO Pro or hbomax.com/redeem. So you just need to click on the link and this is going to take you to their official page. So what you need to do is that you simply want to go ahead and enter in the detailed information regarding your HBO redemption code. That means the card number, the redemption code, all that. And if the card seems to be valid enough, then you'll have successfully redeemed your HBO Go redeem code. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.